The traditional focus on academic credentials is shifting. Today, it's all about skills. 85% of colleges now emphasize skills over degrees, preparing students for real-world challenges. Companies are looking for more than just theoretical knowledge. They want problem solvers, creative thinkers, and hands-on learners. Top recruiters are now focusing on technical skills like software programming, AI/ML, cybersecurity, and cloud computing. Soft skills like teamwork, communication, and critical thinking are also in high demand. Students are increasingly gaining these skills through industry partnerships, internships, and certifications. Over 60% of colleges have revamped their curriculum to include new-age technologies, preparing students for emerging roles. With these changes, you're not just learning from textbooks. You're gaining practical experience that will set you apart during campus placements and beyond. So, embrace this skills revolution and focus on both technical and soft skills to be job ready. Subscribe for more insights.